Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, Miss Iliana. Thank you for coming today. My name is Miss Hidayah, and I'll be conducting the interview for today's session. Before we begin, I would like to make you feel comfortable, and this session will be more of a conversation for us to get to know you better. So let's start the simple question first. Can you tell me about yourself?
Tiba rasa susah.
Good afternoon. Tak apa, mula je. Nanti cut je.
Boleh ke?
Boleh.
Maksudnya yang sambungnya.
Ah,
Good morning and thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Nur Iliana Farisharin Zubi and I currently pursuing a Bachelor of Economics in Natural Resource at University Malaysia Terengganu. Currently, I'm working on my final year project titled The Nexus Between Government Policy and Bank Performance before, during, and after the COVID-19 pandemic. Through this research, I have developed a strong analytical and research skill, especially in understanding how government policy affect banking performance and the financial sector. Besides academics, I also have experience working as a cashier, where I improve my communication skills, my confidence, and ability to manage customer requests professionally, including handling criticism and stressful situations. Thank you.
okay. Next question. Why did you choose this career?
I choose this career because I am interested in economics, finance, and the banking industry. I enjoy learning how financial institutions help business and individuals manage their finance while contributing to the country economic growth. Through my study and pioneer project also, I became more interested in understanding how government policy and economic conditions affect bank performance, especially during challenging periods such as COVID-19 pandemic. This motivates me to put my career in banking sector.
Okay. Can you give an example of how you work in a in a team?
During my university assignment and research project, I work closely with my group members to complete tasks effectively. We divided responsibility based on each member's strength and communicate regularly to ensure the project was completed on time. And I also had coordinate discussion and support my teams whenever problem occurred. Through this experience also, I learned the importance of teamwork, communication, responsibility, and time management.
Okay. In
Think
what way is this field important to the community as a whole?
the banking and financial field is very important because it helps individuals and businesses manage their finance, savings, and investment. Bank also support economic growth by providing financial services, loans, and opportunity for businesses to expand. During the COVID-19 pandemic, bank played an important role in supporting the community through financial assistance and economic recovery program. This shows how important the banking sectors in maintaining economic stability and helping society during difficult situations.
Okay. Last question from me. What are your short-term goals?
My short-term goals is to gain valuable working experience in the banking sector and improve my professional communication and problem-solving skills. I also want to learn more about banking operations and customer service while develop myself into a knowledge and responsible employee. In the future, I hope to grow professional and contribute positively to your company.
Thank you for your
Thank you.
time. Thank you for your time and for answering all the questions. It was great getting to know you more. And we appreciate your interest in this position, and we will contact you regarding the next step of the process. Thank you.
Thank you for the information.